Hello, welcome to the second part of this Scratch tutorial series, and today we're going to be covering slope detection and wall jumping. So without further ado, let's get into it. So, hold on while I do this. So, you see, I have 8 if touching grounds change y by 1s, and so, in the final one, you're going to add the wall detection script and change y by -8. And then, so put that in there. So, see, now we have slope detection, and we still have wall detection. But now we need the wall jump. So, get 2 if-else statements. If key up arrow is pressed in the first one, and in the bottom else, you're going to set xv to 0, and below the else in the first then, set xv to 10. I meant yv to 10. And if, in the second if else, you're going to put if xv is greater than 0, set xv to -5, and set it to 5 in the else. And then put that in the wall detection script. So, now you see, you have slope detection. So, that was the second and last part of the tutorial. And I'll see you in the next series of tutorials.